Pell City homeowners looking to enhance the value of their properties should consider one of the most effective upgrades available: window replacement. Whether you're planning to sell your home or simply improve its comfort and efficiency, new windows offer a significant return on investment. From boosting curb appeal to increasing energy efficiency, replacing old windows can have a transformative effect on your property. Here's how window replacement can improve home value in Pell City. Enhanced curb appeal and aesthetic appeal. First impressions matter, especially in real estate. Windows are one of the most visible features of a home, and outdated, worn, or damaged windows can make a property look neglected. Installing modern, stylish windows enhances a home's exterior, creating an inviting and well-maintained appearance. Potential buyers in Pell City are more likely to be drawn to homes that look fresh, updated, and energy efficient. New window styles, such as large picture windows, bay windows, or sleek modern frames, can give your home a contemporary feel. Additionally, upgraded window designs complement the architectural integrity of your house, improving both its exterior and interior aesthetics. Increased energy efficiency and savings. One of the most attractive benefits of window replacement is improved energy efficiency. Older windows often have poor insulation, leading to heat loss in winter and excessive heat gain in summer. This results in higher energy bills and reduced comfort. Energy-efficient windows, such as those with double or triple pane glass, low emissivity, low E coatings, and gas fills, help regulate indoor temperatures effectively. In Pell City's varied climate, where hot summers and cool winters are common, energy-efficient windows provide year-round comfort. They reduce the strain on heating and cooling systems, leading to lower utility costs. Prospective buyers are increasingly looking for homes with energy-saving features, making window replacement a valuable selling point. Higher home resale value. Replacing windows can significantly boost your home's resale value. According to national real estate studies, homeowners can expect to recoup a large percentage of their investment when upgrading windows before selling. In Pell City's competitive housing market, a home with new, high-quality windows stands out from the rest. Buyers appreciate homes that require fewer immediate renovations, and newly installed windows provide a sense of security and durability. Modern windows also add an extra layer of insulation against external noise, creating a more peaceful living environment, which is a strong selling feature for homes near busy streets or urban areas. Improved home security and safety. Older windows may not provide the level of security modern homes require. Fragile glass, weak frames, and outdated locking mechanisms make homes more vulnerable to break-ins. Modern replacement windows come equipped with advanced security features, such as reinforced frames, impact-resistant glass, and multi-point locking systems. For Pell City homeowners concerned about safety, upgrading windows provides peace of mind. New windows not only protect against potential intruders but also offer improved functionality. Many modern designs include easy-to-operate latches and emergency exit features, making homes safer in case of a fire or other emergencies. Reduced maintenance and increased durability. Old windows often require frequent maintenance, from repainting wooden frames to fixing drafts and leaks. Newer window models are designed with durable materials, such as vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum, which require minimal upkeep. Many of these materials resist warping, fading, and weather damage, making them ideal for Pell City's changing seasons. Low-maintenance windows also appeal to buyers who want a hassle-free home. The added convenience of features like tilt-in sashes for easy cleaning makes them a practical upgrade for any household. Final thoughts. A smart investment for Pell City homeowners. Window replacement is a smart and cost-effective way to increase home value in Pell City. It enhances curb appeal, boosts energy efficiency, improves security, and reduces maintenance costs, all factors that make a home more attractive to potential buyers. Whether you plan to sell your home soon or want to enjoy the benefits of new windows for years to come, upgrading your windows is an investment worth considering. If you're ready to enhance your home's value and comfort with high-quality window replacements, consult a local expert in Pell City today. A professional window installation can make all the difference, ensuring you get the best results for your investment.